Welcome friends to another tutorial on the SmartAssistant channel. You probably want to use TikTok, but you don't want the sound to be on, for example, when you're in a public place or when you just want to enjoy content without sound. In this video, I'll show you how to always turn off the sound of a video when you open TikTok. Without further ado, let's get right to the process. The first thing you need to do is enter your TikTok app. Then, in the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on your profile. After that, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Now, tap on the Settings and Privacy option. Once you've done that, now in this section find the Playback option and tap on it. Now tap on the switch of the Open TikTok on Mute option to activate it. Great, now the sound of videos will always be off when you open TikTok. Now exit TikTok and then enter again and you will see that the sound of the videos is turned off. To turn on the sound, tap on the icon in the bottom right corner of the screen above the profile option or use the volume keys of your device. That's all for this video, friends. If you found the video helpful, like it and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, see you in the next video.